today we're going to be making a stress relief jar. Supplies needed will be a glass jar or plastic, some clear glue, glitter, food coloring, and some water. The water should be pretty warm too when you do this. You're going to fill your glass jar about, halfway, maybe a little bit more than halfway. About like that. Then we're going to add the glue to the top. And then the food coloring. And remember, with food coloring, you don't need a whole lot. A little goes a long way. And what's really interesting is that it goes to the bottom and colors the water and not the glue. Put the lid on and give it a shake. Shake, 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 shake. You'll see that the foam will form at the top, and that's okay. We're going to wait for that foam to kind of calm down a little bit before we add our glitter. Okay, as you can see, the foam has calmed down a bit, and now for the fun part, we get to add our glitter. And you want to be very generous with the amount of glitter you put in also, because that's what makes it look so cool. Put a little bit more. Okay, and you're going to put the lid back on and give it another shake. And there you have it, your stress relief jar. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again.